This video is to show how to use bridging table and pivot table to track productivity easily. It may be important to track the productivity of every task to review whether they are hitting the target. The productivity data is usually very closely related to the manpower data for labor-intensive tasks, i.e. can track if manpower assigned is sufficient or not. This can easily be done using the same concept as the status stack chart exercise done earlier, except that we replace the completion delayed status with year-month text category. The resulting pivot table will be similar to what is shown above. The corresponding pivot chart will be updated as such when you change the status as year-month category text instead. Let us jump straight into an example to show how monthly productivity can easily be tracked using a bridging table and pivot table. We will use the previous example where we have some data on block, unit, task, target end date and actual end date within a bridging table. The completion and delay status was included in the previous exercise within the bridging table to extract them into a pivot table and pivot chart. We will start off by deleting the completion and delay status data. We can convert the status column into a year and month classification by using the year function with the month function and combining the two information together with an AND. For the tasks which are not completed yet, we can use the ifError function to capture all hash value results as outstanding text. Once we updated the bridging table, we can proceed to the pivot table to update it by going to the Data tab to click Refresh All. You will find that the column header are currently rather messy and not sorted in a time-related order. Some of the month data are in single-digit format while some are in double-digits format, and this affects the sorting sequence. To correct this, we can go back to the bridging table and make use of the text function with 00 added as the text format to capture the month data in double-digit with leading 0. With this done, click on Refresh All under Data tab again. You can now click on the column header cell and select Sort in ascending order for the year-month text header, and all the sequencing will fall into the correct order. You can now review the productivity data in the pivot table and chart to see if the productivity profile is matching what you are targeting or expecting. I hope this video convinced you that productivity tracking is easily done by using bridging table and pivot table. Please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and hit the bell notification button.